Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can sort information in QuickBooks lists manually or automatically. To manually sort items within a list, click and drag the small diamond at the left side of any list entry and drop it into a new location within the list. However, it is important to note that you cannot manually arrange list items when automatic sorting is applied to a list. Also, be careful when manually arranging items, as you may accidentally place sub-entries in a list, like sub-accounts in the chart of accounts or jobs within the Customers and Jobs list, underneath an incorrect main account. The only way to fix this is to manually place it back from where it came. You cannot automatically resort the list to fix that type of mistake. Also, when manually arranging list items in the chart of accounts, you can only arrange accounts adjacent to accounts of the same account type. For example, you cannot place an income account into the expense accounts within the list. You can also automatically sort list items in ascending or descending order by the values shown in any column within the list. To do this, click the column heading at the top of the column by whose values you want to sort the list. You will see a small arrow appear next to the column heading pointing up or down. An up arrow indicates an ascending sort order, and a down arrow indicates a descending sorting order. Clicking the name of the column shown in the column heading again will toggle the arrow between the up and down positions. When you automatically sort a list, a large diamond appears at the far left side of the row of column headings. This indicates that a list is being automatically sorted. You won't be able to perform some actions like manually rearranging list items while automatic sorting is being applied. To remove automatic sorting and return the list to its default sorting order, click the large diamond to remove the automatic sorting. To resort a list and return it to its original sorting order, click the button that contains the name of the list in the lower left corner of the list window, and then select the Resort List command from the pop-up menu that appears. For lists that appear within the centers, however, you must resort the lists using a different method. In these lists, select an entry within the list, and then select View, Resort List from the menu bar to return the list to its original sort order.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.